Welcome back everyone. Today we have an unboxing of the new Baseus Bowie E8 True Wireless earphones. This just landed on my place and they're the latest from Baseus, supposed to be quite premium but still affordable True Wireless earphones, promising flash charge, positioning via the app, smart ear detection and also ultra low latency. So let's unbox it and give it a test and see what we think about it. Comfortable to wear, free to move. There's some kind of a manual about how to control it and downloading the app and so on. Some basic stickers, I guess a warranty card as well. Let's put that aside. Oh, these are actually much smaller than I expected and they look quite premium. I have a kind of a matte feeling to them. That's nice. Good grip actually. Much smaller than I thought. Let's keep them here. Let's see what else. I'm getting a USB, just your USB-C. So charging is done via USB-C. You can see here there's some kind of indicator, status button, I guess. Let's take them out and see. Oh, quite light and premium, I guess. Let's see the charging experience. Okay, I'm gonna charge them for a bit and then set them up on the iPhone and we'll test them later in the video. One of the convenient features in these Baseus earphones is in-ear detection, and it works in the same way as in Apple AirPods. As soon as you pull it out, music pauses, put it back in, detects that it's back in your ear, and then music will resume again. And it's really responsive and it works as expected. Another useful feature that you can use in the Baseus app is help with finding your lost earphones. And it does that by calling your lost earphone, and then it plays a beeping sound that can help you locate it. Finally, my conclusion about audio quality is that music is really punchy and clear. Also voice calls, these earphones are doing a good job and it manages to cancel noise. So totally recommended for both music and phone calls.